Assalamualaikum and good day. I bid to Dr. Rafi'ah and fellow classmates. We are from team SDH. We'll be presenting our system for today. First of all, let me introduce my team members. Okay, first of all, my name is Hannan Nabila, metric number 261039. We also have Fatin Nabila, 261048. Nur Absarina, 261050. Amiratul Aqilah, 261052. Ain Fadhillah, 261033. Okay, so for this project, the businesses that we choose is Pekaka Enterprise, which is the SME business operated in Penang and offering variety of crab pack. Moving on to the problem statement. Okay, so for the problem statement, we have identified 3 problem statements, which is the first one, the company lacks of real-time data insight, whereby the business need to manually keep track of its inventory level by confirming with the production department and then calculate and analyze the future requirement and see if there is any additional inventory needed to meet the bookings from agents. And then secondly, the business also having difficulties in predict the date, whereby they unable to estimate the earliest date for the agent to pick up their orders. The business will sometimes have to call the customer and postpone the orders due to the wrong date estimation. And the last one is the poor database system, whereby the staff took a longer time to locate the relevant data from the file, especially in terms of phone number, addresses, order, and many other essential data. Okay, so here is the problem evidence that we got from the owner. As you can see, this is how they manually collect the order, where customers will WhatsApp they will WhatsApp or make a phone call to place an order without a proper form. So after that, the staff will manually write it down in the book and for the production department to refer. Okay, so the objective for this project is to manage the booking order for SME, such as Pekaka Enterprise, and also to create a system that can help the customer to receive their order according to the expected date. And the last one is to minimize human error that are currently happening in most business, especially small businesses like Pekaka Enterprise. So that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Hello, my name is Amiratul Aqilah. So now I will present to you the proper system for Pekaka. We as the team SDH will propose an order management system. So according to the problem stated, we identified that Pekaka Enterprise issue are more into order and booking area. Therefore, our group has decided to come up with a computerized system named Pekaka Order Management System, which focusing on 2 main areas in the business, which are booking and customer database system. Alright, on the next, I will present to you our system tutorial. Okay, as you can see on your screen right now is our Pekaka management system interface. So as you can see on the top of our header, there is home, about, and admin. So on the center of this interface, there is the order date and time, delivery date and time, and also the category to find for customer to find their slot. Okay, so moving on next on the product from Pekaka Enterprise. So we have variety of keripik in Pekaka Enterprise. So first is keripik ubi pedas kering, keripik pedas BBQ, keripik original, which is the best seller one for sure, keropok batang keladi and keropok kacang dal, and also keropok roda, which reminiscent our childhood keropok. Okay, so on the bottom of the page there is info. There is info for our to contact us, which is our mobile number, Pekaka Enterprise, and also the email to contact us. Okay, moving on next on about page. Okay, on about us page, okay, there is a little introduction for our business. Okay, so moving on next on back to home interface. So we're gonna place an order like our customer will be. Okay, so on the order date or time, you will the customer will select their own date to order and select the delivery date and time. Alright, so on the category, you may choose any and you can click the find your slot button. Okay, as you can see, this is the variety of keropok here. So the customer will choose any keripik here. So for example, we may choose any keripik now. Alright, so for the customer, they need to insert their full name, how many quantity, the quantity, how much they want, and their address, and also the email and also contact number. Okay, after insert all the details needed, so the customer may save the submit booking request, and the booking request has successfully sent to the system. All right. So moving on next to the admin dashboard. Okay. On this page, this is the admin page called admin login page. So as you can see, there is the delicious career pad here, and inside the admin username, which is admin, and the admin password. All right, login. So welcome to Admin Pekaka Management System Dashboard. Okay, as you can see on your left sidebar, okay, there is 10 items that you should see. So the first is home, product, booking, delivery status, product category, expired date, week, user, system setting, and report. All right. So on this admin dashboard, there is 660 total stock for Pekaka Enterprise right now, their stock right now, and there is zero booking today, and there is a zero expected delivery today, and the total booking for Pekaka Enterprise right now is that it's 14 orders. So this is the status dashboard. Okay. So moving on next on product. Okay, this is all the product that Pekaka Enterprise have. So as you can see, there is a brand, product name, category, other info, and also you can view and edit the information here. And also, the admin can insert any product at the new entry button above. All right, moving on next on booking item. Alright, so for the booking item, here is the list of booking by customer. Okay, they will sort by customer, order date, the expected delivery date, the product info, and the status. So if the status is confirmed, the status will be confirmed. But if the order cancelled, the status will change to cancel, as you can see right now. Alright, so yeah, then we will see it. So on the right section is delivery status. So on this delivery status, there is a list of delivery status for each customer for their order. So the status consists of two, which is pending and delivery. So if the order have been sent, okay, the admin will change the status from pending to delivery. All right, as you can see, the delivery has been sent. All right, so moving on next on product category. So for the product category, for now, we have keropok and kerepek. So any additional category will be inserted here by the admin. So for example, on the category form, we insert chips, for example. And you may put any description for the chips and click save. So right then and here, you can see the categories have been updated with chips category. All right. So any additional edit will be, you may click on the edit or delete button. So moving on next on, the expired date section. So the expired date is the expected expired date for the kerepek and keropok. So as you can see, there on the expired date list there is January 2022, February, and March. So any additional expiry date list can be updated on the expiry date form on your left side. As you can see, for example, April 2022, and click save, and it's already added on the expiry date list. All right, moving on next on the weight section. So on the weight section, okay, for now, Pekaka Enterprise have 4 types of weight, which is 200 gram, 400, 250, and 500 gram. So any additional weight of kerepek can be updated on product weight form. For example, 1 kilogram, and click save, and it's already updated here. Yes. All right, moving on next on users section. So for the user section, it's only applicable for admin. So any additional admin can be insert at the new user button here. Okay. So moving on next on system setting. So on the system setting, there is this is space, yeah, space to insert any information that need to be amended or edited. So especially for system name, email, contact, and the about content, and also the image or product. So you may click save and it updated on the system. And last but not least is a report section. So for Pekaka Enterprise, there is three report that have been made, which are list of customer, list of product, and booking. So let's see on the first report, which is list of customer. So for the list of customer is actually a customer report which consists of name, email, address, and phone number of the customer that have made order. Okay, moving on next. Second report is list of product report. Okay. So for the product report, okay, we may view the report from 1 November to the end of the month and click the submit. Okay, for now you can see the all the remaining stock for product, especially the inventory in and out for almost 3 months for the product report. Okay, so for every product name and the remaining stocks. And lastly, our third report is booking report. Okay, you may select any date that you want to view and click submit. Okay, as you can see, this is the details for booking report for every customer, which consists of booking date, booking ID, customer name, product name, quantity, how much they order, the contact number, address, and the status for their order, which is pending or delivered. And that's all from our system tutorial. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, Mia. I will continue on the part of hardware and software that was used while creating this system. So the software requirement that we use to build the system is for the operating system. The things that we can use to build the systems is Windows or Mac. The technology that we use is PHP, MyAdmin, and the web technologies that we use is HTML, JavaScript, and also CSS. For the IDE, we are using NetBeans IDE 12.6, and the web server that we use is XAMPP, and the database that we use to store the data is MySQL. For the hardware requirement, the desktop standard requirement that are used to run the system is it should be equivalent to Intel Core i3 or higher version. The desktop should be 4 GB RAM or more. And the space for the hard disk must be 2 GB or more, and it should be Windows 7 version or higher. Now, I will explain on the SWOT analysis part. So, for the strength, it is much more greater in terms of accessibility compared to the previous system, as they can access it anywhere and anytime as long as they have internet connection. Compared to the previous system where they will update the order in a book, this system can help them access it anywhere, as they just need to use it anywhere, as they just need to use link from any device, and they don't have to bring the book everywhere. Therefore, they can update the order anywhere and anytime. So, other than that, the proposed system will prevent the company data loss, as all data and information is stored in one storage. The current system has threat where the risk of misplaced or theft of the book. Hence, all the order details will be gone in overnight, which will bring trouble to the company. So, by using this system, all the database will be stored in MySQL, where the security has been guaranteed from data losses. So, next we go to the weakness. However, if there is strength, there will be also a weakness, and the weakness of this system is lack of feature for the customer order. In this system, once the customer order the product and click the button save, they cannot change or delete the order. So if they want to make change on the order that made previously, they have to insert the new order, and they have to contact the owner if they want to they have to contact the owner to cancel the previous order. So for the second weakness is they required stable internet connection to use the system. So in order to run the system, the owner or admin need to have a stable internet for it to run smoothly. So if there is no internet connection on that day, the owner might record the order manually like before. Now I pass to my friends, not Absarina.
Okay, we continue the opportunities for our system. The first one, improve customer and agent satisfaction via systematic order process, because customer will get the exact date for the order to be completed state our estimated date only. Second one, this system also will be kickstart of a new strategy for operational improvement where Pekaka Enterprise will start automating its business. And last but not least, this proposed system will surely increase productivity and efficiency of business through one-stop system as the system is completed with all data and information required for inventory checking and booking purpose. The threat for this system, the first one is system crash. One of the most serious threats that might arise with any computerized system is the possibility of a system crash. Data loss can occur as a result of a corrupt hard disk, power outage, and other technical issues that arise. And at the least, businesses are halt and when they are unable to obtain data they need. The threat of system crashing as a result of hardware failure can result in the loss of work, and this occurs when no backup is preserved. And the second one is malicious hacks. Cyber criminals and hackers are continually on the lookout for new and innovative ways to gather information about a company or a client. In the search of substantial financial data or personal information of suppliers or consumers, an inventory platform linked to point of sale systems and accounting is a valuable resource to be hacked into. Nonetheless, by updating security systems and antivirus software, this possible threat can be avoided. The next one, we go to the target market of our system. So our system have three target market. The first one, companies that provide end products such as Pekaka Enterprise, as the system provide users with a comprehensive picture of order management process. And the second one, this software is also well suited for mid-sized corporation or enterprise, particularly those with a many location and multiple subsidiaries. In order to improve operational efficiency, it has a built-in industry-specific solution that streamlines manufacturing and distribution process. And furthermore, businesses that are unfamiliar with technology or software will find our proposed system to be straightforward and easy to use. Because with a few simple input, this proposed system can record order in real time, track inventory automatically, and generate meaningful reports such as booking report, product report, and customer report. And that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, so now I'm going to present the solutions and recommendations for the system and how the system solve the business problem. So the first one is, there are 4 problem solving that we got in the system. The first one is real data insight. The second one is track the availability of the stocks for booking. The third one is insightful dashboard, and the fourth one is systematic database. So I'm going to explain all these 4 problem solving in detail later on. So next. Okay, the first one is real data insight. So the user can manually order the product and set the delivery date to deliver the product. So as how been presented by Miss Amiratul just now, we do have the admin page. So in the admin page, the admin will update the stock accordingly to the date. So the stock updated will be stored in the MySQL. So when the stock, for example, has been updated by the admin is 100 pieces. So then in this website, which can be seen by the users, will be shown that there are 100 stock as well. So when they would like to order based on the date, so the 100 stock will be displayed. But then if the admin update that the stock is not available, so then when they find a slot, that particular product won't be displayed here. That is what is that mean by the real data time insight. So next is it can track the availability of the stocks for the booking. So in this product report, it will be shown all the remaining stock based on the particular date that have been entered by the admin. For example, in this report, it will be updated that the start date is 1 October 2021 and the end date is 5 January 2022. So within that period, it will be shown all the inventory out and in within the date. So based on that, they can track the availability of the stock by looking at the remaining stock. So next is insightful dashboard. So the system equipped with dashboard that displays the upcoming booking. Here we can see that the book for today and expected delivery for today is 0. So it means that when there is a booking for that particular date, so for example, today is 25 January. So on 25 January, if there is any booking, the booking will be displayed here in the dashboard to remind the admin that today we have a booking. So for the total stock, for example, the total stock shows that for the real time, how many inventory that we have during that particular date. And so for today, for example, we do have 13 total booking. As you can see previously, Miss Amiratul already entered one booking as an example for today's meeting. So it shows that on the dashboard got 14 total booking, but now got 13 total booking because already at 1. So next, now we do have the systematic database. So the system stores all the customers' information and link it together with all the details. Staff doesn't need to find and track the details of the customer from different systems. So if they would like to see all the bookings report, they just need to enter the date and the end date for that particular. For example, if today they would like to see if there is any booking or not, so they can just enter today's date and submit it. So it will be displayed according to the date that they are entered. So it will be easy for them to track all the bookings that they got on that particular period or date. Next, I will continue with the conclusion. So in conclusion, the Pekaka order management system have been proven will be able to solve the three main problems of the business, which are lacks of real-time data insight, difficulties in predicting booking dates, and poor database system. There are three main features of the system, which are insightful dashboard, tracking function, and systematic database. We hope that the system proposed will not only be beneficial for Pekaka Enterprise, but also for other business that face the same recurring problems. So that's all from us. Thank you.